At-home waxing requires the best waxing kit to avoid unwanted burning and irritation. And it is also important that you choose a great electric wax warmer, which will work perfectly to melt the wax beads while maintaining temperature. So keeping that in mind, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best electric warmers for you. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Enjoy a smooth skin by removing hair from the roots perfectly by the Tomight Wax Warmer. This wax warmer is made of a heat-resistant material and has an intelligent adjustable temperature ranging from 35 degrees Celsius to 135 degrees Celsius. It comes with an LED display screen for user convenience, and the overheating protection system works to prevent burns. The package comes with 6 different hard wax beans, which are non-irritating and soft in nature. This kit will enable you to remove full body hair, and it is a convenient option as the warmer and inner pot are designed with a handle which makes it portable. Besides that, the product also comes with 20 wooden spatulas and 2 silicone brushes for ease of use. The Tomight Wax Warmer is loved by many users as it has great quality and is easy to clean as well. The product also hasn't received any negative reviews on Amazon. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We love the product for its quality and efficiency, giving it 5 stars on those, but it is a bit pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. Our next pick for today is the Easkep Home Waxing Kit, which will provide you with simple and faster waxing results within the comfort of your home. The wax warmer is made of 100% copper wire and durable ABS heat-assistant material, which enables the wax to heat up faster. This warmer has a removable wax pot with 500 milliliters capacity, and it also features an accurate temperature meter with heat reaching up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. The package includes 5 packs of chamomile-flavored, high-quality hard wax beans, and they're suitable for all skin types and coarse hair. You can melt all types of wax in this machine, starting from hard wax to Brazilian, and it also comes with 20 times wax applicators of large and small sizes while featuring an auto shut-off design. Thousands of users appreciate this product as it heats up quickly and causes minimal pain. But as it goes, a few of them were not happy with the temperature setting. It's time to rate this product now. In terms of value and price, we gladly give it 5 stars, but when it comes to user acceptance, it'll get 4 stars only. The SalonDepot Waxing Kit is a suitable option for sensitive skin as it comes with low temperature wax. This kit features a wax heater which enables you to choose from a wide range of temperatures starting from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. All kinds of hard waxes can be used in this machine, and it is suitable for beginners as well. The package includes 4 types of natural wax beans, and their unique formula provides you with perfect hair removal results. You can use it for both fine and coarse hair, and will remove hair from the root while giving you smooth and long-lasting results. Plus, the package comes with convenient items for an easy waxing session. The SalonDepot Waxing Kit is admired by users as it works quite well and provides salon-quality results, but then again, some of them face different technical issues while using it. Moving on to the ratings. We appreciated the product for its value and affordability, giving it 5 stars on those, but in case of acceptance, it'll get 4 stars. Achieve a full salon-style waxing experience at home with the Lifestance LCD Wax Warmer Kit, which is our next recommended product for you. It comes with a digital display wax machine that features an LED display design, enabling you to control the temperature by showing the exact one. The wax warmer is suitable for all types of wax, and it has an auto shut-off design, and it features a precise temperature control while being starter-friendly. The package includes 4 bags of blue hard wax beans, a pre-wax tea tree treatment, an after-wax treatment, 30 pieces wax applicators, a user manual, 2 spray nozzles, and 5 collars for ease of use. The wax beans are infused with jasmine, and you can use them to remove brow as well as bikini hair, plus the collars will help you to achieve mess-free outcomes for a better experience. This product has earned the love of many users as it works great on thick hair and provides great results, but some users complained that the product didn't really work well. Time to check out the ratings now. We really love the efficiency and affordability of this product, so overall it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. The Bestidy Home Wax Warmer Kit is our top pick for today's video, as it comes with durable features and allows easy operation for your convenience. The electric wax warmer is made of ABS heat-assisted material, which is durable in nature and is capable of preventing overheating or melting issues. The warmer features indicator light and temperature control, which makes it easy to use. Plus, it takes only 5 to 10 minutes for melting the wax completely. The kit comes with 5 packs of different flavored hard wax beans containing natural ingredients, and they provide you with long-lasting smooth results while working great on coarse and fine hair. The warmer also features a removable aluminum wax pot, which is non-sticky in nature, plus the package includes 20 wax applicator sticks, 2 pairs of gloves, 4 nose wax applicators, 2 waxing sprays, and 8 protective rings for salon-quality results right at home. The Bestidy Home Wax Warmer Kit is absolutely loved by users on Amazon, as they love the performance of the warmer and appreciate its easy-to-use features, but some of them didn't really like the product. Let's check out the ratings now. We were overwhelmed by the quality and affordability of this product, so it'll get 5 out of 5 stars in total. So that was all about the 5 best electric wax warmers. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.